This is a capture challenge for white. If white plays the Atari twice like this, then white will fail. Because obviously white will have to make some Atari moves and will have to use this wedge. Black blocks here, white will cut here and Atari. When black captures number 5 now, white cannot do anything because this is a tiger's mouth, and white can no longer effectively Atari black. As you do more of these problems, you will realize what the correct move looks like. And it's all about the sequence. So white's number 1 here will not hurt white's chances. What's important is not to play the second Atari now, but to play this wedge first. Now, in order to eliminate the tiger's mouth formed by number 4 and 6, white can simply play the throw in here, and instead make black into this shape. Now when white cuts and Ataris, black captures, there will be no more tiger's mouths, and eventually white will be able to succeed this way. This is a capture by Atari. Black cannot escape. So that's the correct sequence, 1, 3, and 5. It's very important not to play this Atari after number 1. I hope you enjoyed the pattern, and remember that the sequence here is really key. Good luck, and thank you for watching.